The topic we are going to discuss about is fundamental principles of organic chemistry are organic chemistry and organic compounds and structural classification of organic compounds. Organic chemistry is defined as the branch of chemistry which deals with the study of compounds of carbon and hydrogen, yani hydrocarbons and their derivatives. What are organic compounds? Chemical compounds in which one or more atoms of carbon are covalently linked to atoms of other elements, most commonly hydrogen, oxygen, and nitrogen. DNA हमारे पास सबसे main example है, that is made up of carbon, hydrogen, and nitrogen. Next, we have the features of organic compounds, peculiar nature of carbon, non-ionic character of organic compounds, similarity in behavior, complexity of organic compounds, isomerism, rates of organic reactions, and solubility. So peculiar nature में हमारे पास कैटेगनाइजेशन की प्रॉपर्टी आ जाती है, यानी कि कार्बन दूसरे कार्बन एटम्स के साथ सिंगल, डबल या ट्रिपल बॉन्ड के जरिए लिंक हो सकता है. नॉन आयनिक करेक्टर इसलिए क्योंकि कोवेलेंट बॉन्ड्स हैं, सो ये नॉन आयनिक करेक्टर शो करते हैं. सिमिलरिटी इन बिहेवियर की है कि कैटेगनाइजेशन की वजह से इनकी प्रॉपर्टीज में बहुत हद तक सिमिलरिटी पाई जाती है. कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी, कार्बन कार्बन चेन बहुत लंबी हो जाती है जिसकी वजह से दे आर कॉम्प्लेक्स कंपाउंड्स लाइक वी हैव डीएनए. आइसोमेरिज्म इज द फिनोमेना जिसमें वो मॉलिक्यूल्स जिनका मॉलिक्यूलर फार्मूला तो सेम होता है लेकिन वो स्ट्रक्चरली डिफरेंट होते हैं, दैट आर नोन एज आइसोमर्स, और इस फिनोमेना को हम आइसोमेरिज्म कहते हैं. इसे हम डिटेल में स्टडी करेंगे इन द नेक्स्ट लेक्चर्स. रेट्स ऑफ ऑर्गेनिक रिएक्शंस क्योंकि दे आर नॉन आयनिक इन कैरेक्टर तो उनके रेट्स भी जो है वो स्लो होते हैं. एंड देन दिस सॉल्युबिलिटी, क्योंकि दे आर कोवेलेंट इन नेचर, दैट्स व्हाई they are insoluble in polar solvents while soluble in non-polar solvents. Here we have a question. Reactions involving organic compounds are usually dash in nature: polar, non-polar, ionic, none of these. And the correct option is non-polar. Here we have the classification of organic compounds. Organic compounds are broadly classified as open chain or acyclic compounds, closed chain or cyclic compounds. So what are open chain or acyclic compounds? This type of compounds contain an open chain of carbon atoms. Chain straight भी हो सकती है और branch भी हो सकती है. Open chain compounds को हम aliphatic compounds भी कहते हैं. So what are straight chain compounds? Those organic compounds in which the carbon atoms are connected in series from the one to the other, like one butane or two butane. यहाँ पे जो carbon chain है वो straight है, इसमें कोई भी branching नहीं है. Next we have the branch chain compounds. These are the organic compounds in which the carbon atoms are attached on the sides of the chain. Straight chain में we have a branch of alkyl group or alkyl groups. यहाँ पे we have just one branching, so it is isopentane. यहाँ पे second carbon पे दो sides attached, that's why it is neopentane. Next are the closed chain compounds. Those organic compounds which contain closed chains or rings of atoms. They are further classified as homocyclic compounds or heterocyclic compounds. Let's discuss a question. Which of the following cannot be classified as cyclic organic compounds? And the options are phenol, pyrimidine, neopentane, or naphthalene. So the correct option is neopentane. Neopentane एक open chain compound है, ना कि closed chain compound. So organic compounds are broadly classified into open chain and cyclic compounds. Open chain are further classified into straight chain and branch chain compounds, जो कि हम स्टडी कर चुके हैं. Next, cyclic compounds जो हैं वो homocyclic और heterocyclic में divide होते हैं, जबकि homocyclic are further of two types that are alicyclic compounds और aromatic compounds. इन्हें हम next lecture में discuss करेंगे. So this was all about the organic compounds and organic chemistry and some about their classification. I hope you have understood it well, and thank you so much.